In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure default log and track settings in Hubspot. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are viewing your main dashboard. These settings control what happens automatically when you send emails through Hubspot. When log and track options are set correctly, Hubspot can record your email activity and connect it to the right records, which keeps your CRM history accurate and easy to review. First, open Settings by clicking the Settings icon. This takes you into the area where Hubspot stores account-wide configuration options. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one portal, because these changes affect default behavior going forward. Next, look to the left sidebar menu and navigate to Objects, then select Activities. Activities is where Hubspot manages how actions like emails are captured and associated within your CRM. Once you are in the Activities section, find and click the Email Log and Track tab. This is the specific page where you can set your default email logging and tracking preferences. Now you will turn on the default logging option. Set Log All Emails by default to On. With this enabled, emails you send through Hubspot are automatically saved to the CRM timeline, which is helpful for visibility across your team and for maintaining a clear communication record. After that, set Track All Emails by default to On as well. Tracking adds engagement data such as opens and clicks, so you can see how recipients interact with your messages. As a general tip, keep in mind that tracking should align with your organization's privacy practices and any applicable policies. Next, you will set your associations. Check the boxes for contacts, companies, and deals. This tells Hubspot where to attach logged and tracked email activity. Selecting all three ensures your email history appears in the right places, so anyone reviewing a contact, a company, or an active deal can quickly understand the context and progress. Finally, click Save in the bottom left. Saving confirms your changes and makes these settings the default for future emails. That covers everything you need to know.